잠시만요. Hello. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello. So, this is our first class, right? So I will introduce myself first. My name is Fira. You can call me just Fira or Miss Fira, is up to you. And I will be your tutor and also speaking buddy for the next 8 meetings. Okay, so let me know about yourself. Your name, maybe occupation, and where do you live? Oh, I live in Yogyakarta. Right.
In Jakarta,
Yogyakarta. Jogja.
Jogja.
Yes. So now let me know about yourself. Maybe your name, occupation, and where do you live now?
My name is Marcelina. You can call me Ina.
Mhm.
I live in North Sumatra. Regency, ya. Oh,
Oh yeah, North Sumatra Regency. Yeah.
yeah, Samosir Island. I live in Samosir Island.
Oh,
You know Samosir Island is?
yeah. Yeah, I know the folk story of
Yeah,
that.
Lake Toba. Lake
Yeah.
Toba.
Yeah, that's a very famous story. So you live in North Sumatra?
What? I cannot hear.
So you live in North Sumatra?
Yeah, I live in North Sumatra.
Okay, in Samosir Island, right? Samosir
Yeah,
Island.
yeah,
Okay.
that's right.
Okay, great. So what do you do for a living?
I'm living in Lake Toba.
What do you do for a living? Your occupation or your job? Okay. Wait, I will share my screen. Okay, so what I said is, okay, can you see the screen? You can see the screen, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, great. So what I say is, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
What do you for living?
Or what's your occupation? It's the same meaning. Okay, so what do you do for living? Apa pekerjaan Anda? Itu artinya kayak gitu.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Can I write, Miss?
Yeah, yeah. You can take a note for this. If we meet new vocabulary or new tenses, you can write it on your notes so that you will not forget it. Okay, that's great. Okay, so
What do you for living? I living, ya, gitu ya, Miss?
mhm.
Living for
Okay, what do you do for living?
apa tadi, Miss? Ulang dulu, repeat lagi again.
What do you do for living itu apa pekerjaanmu? Itu artinya.
Oh, beda lagi. What is your job?
Ya.
Sama.
Oh, sama. Ini artinya sama sinonim. Bisa what do you do for
Oh,
living, bisa nanya what is your job, bisa juga what is your occupation, itu sama aja artinya.
oh, yang biasa aku dengarkan what is your job. Jadi
Oh, what is your job ya?
what do you do for living itu aku pikir kamu itu ke depannya untuk apa? Apa tinggalmu gimana gitu. Saya kira begitu tujuannya. What do you for living ya?
Yeah, what do you do for living?
My job is wife ya, mother of
Housewife
two,
ya? Mhm.
and salon in house.
Oh, you have.
I have a salon. Saya punya usaha salon gitu.
Hello?
Can you hear me? Hello?
Hair salon? Yeah, okay, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Sorry.
my
You
job is
open.
makeup,
Mhm.
braid makeup. Yeah.
Oh, you are a makeup artist.
Yeah.
Oh, makeup artist. And you also a hairdresser?
Yeah,
Are you
yeah,
a
yeah. Also,
hairdresser? Oh,
yes.
okay. So you
But
have a salon.
diutamakan ke makeup.
Oh,
Makeup
yeah,
artist. Yeah.
your priority is a makeup artist,
Yes.
then the hairdresser. Okay, great. So, oh, you are the mother of two. So, is it a daughter or son?
I have two. I have one son and one daughter.
Oh, one son and daughter. Oh, great. So
Yeah.
it's balanced. You have a
Yeah.
boy and girl. Great.
Yeah.
Okay. So what age your daughter is and your son?
My daughter is 8 years old and my son 7 years old. Different 1 month. 1 year.
Oh, you just have 1 year different. Okay. So now your daughter and son is in elementary school?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, they are in elementary school. Okay, great. So because this is our first meeting, so I will tell you the rundown, the class rundown for this session. So we have 60 minutes duration. So
Okay.
because we just have one-on-one, so we
What? Connection
and
is
we also have
connection is not good. Can you repeat again?
hello.
Yeah, hello.
Okay, can you hear me right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So besides the conversation class, we also have the vocabulary building. So I will tell you some vocabulary, and we also have the scenario role play. We will do the conversation with the text on the screen. And after that, you will do the mini presentation, and I will give you the correction for your presentation too. And before we wrap up the class, we will set the goal for our next meeting. So if you think this class is too hard or maybe too easy for you, we can adjust the materials. Okay, do you get it?
Okay.
Okay, and if you think that I speak too quickly, you can say with me so I can like slow down a bit.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
is it okay? Okay, so our topic today is leisure time. Do you know what's the meaning of leisure time?
Leisure time. I don't know leisure time. Leisure.
Do you know what's the meaning of leisure time?
No, leisure.
Yeah, leisure time. Do you ever heard free time? Free
Free
time?
time. Oh, yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Uh-uh.
leisure time is as the same as the leisure as a free time.
Oh, yeah.
It has the
Same,
same
yeah.
meaning. Yeah, so the meaning is waktu luang. Waktu luang, waktu bersantai. It has a meaning, free time
Okay.
or leisure time. So, can you describe me what do you see from the picture here? Describe me in English.
What? Can you repeat? I can
Okay. Can you describe it for me? The picture you
describe.
see on the screen? Yeah, describe. Describe. Wait.
Mm-mm.
Describe. Sorry. Describe itu mendeskripsikan atau menceritakan. Please describe the picture you see on the screen and tell me about your interpretation, about your story.
Describe.
Ya. Menggambarkan, mendeskripsikan about the picture on screen. About this picture.
Saya menceritakan yang ada di screen ini ya, gitu.
Yeah.
She's lie down. No, lie down.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's great.
Free time ya, santai, free time, and reading a book.
So, how about it? She's a girl.
Oh, she's a girl.
What she doing? What is she doing?
Santai, lay down
Laying down on.
on
What
the
is this?
read on the
What is
read. I don't know. This
this
is
called hammock.
this called
Hammock. This hammock. Hammock. This is hammock.
hammock. Hammock
Ham
atau
hammock. Double
hammock?
M. Hammock, yeah. Hammock.
Oh, hammock.
This hammock.
Hammock. This hammock. Okay. This girl lie down on hammock ya.
Lay down. Lay down tuh berbaring ya.
Yeah. On
Okay.
the
On the
hammock.
hammock. Hammock. Without W. Hammock. Hammock. Okay,
Yeah.
hammock. Okay, she is laying down on a hammock. And then what is she doing?
Read the book. Yeah.
Yeah, she reads the book. She
She's
reads the book.
The book.
Okay, so she reads the book while laying down on the hammock, right? She reads the book
Read.
while lying down.
While itu diartikan sambil ya gitu.
Iya, sambil bisa. Jadi biasanya kalau ada while itu nanti verb setelahnya itu pakai yang verb ing. Ini. Verb ing ya.
She is lie down. Oh no. She's
What?
reading. Can you repeat again?
Yeah,
Please?
she reads the book
The book.
while lying down on hammock. I write here. I wrote it here.
Lie down hammock. Oke. Oh, lying itu dia pakai ing ya ke setelah
Ya.
while ya.
Kadang while-nya tuh juga tidak dituliskan di dalam sentence biasanya. Jadi ada yang dituliskan, ada yang tidak. Kalau misalnya, tapi kan kita bisa lihat sini, ada dua action di sini ya, ada dua verbs di sini, ada reads dan juga ada lie down ya. Nah, biasanya kalau ada dua verbs dalam satu kalimat itu nanti satunya akan pakai yang ing, verb ing. Contohnya ini, lying down. Reads-nya nggak pakai ing karena ya nggak perlu karena kan nggak ada while-nya di sini ya. Biasanya di sini ada kalau misalnya di textbook buku apa itu nanti di sini ada ketulisannya when she reads the book she is lying down, jadi ada dua pilihan, bisa pakai when atau pakai while. Kalau habis when biasanya tidak ada verb ing, jadi pakai verb biasa, pakai present ini biasa. Tapi kalau misalnya ada while nanti dia pakainya ing. Oke.
Berarti tadi kan she read the book langsung ya kata kerja ya, nggak pakai to be lagi ya. She read the book while laying down hammock. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That's right.
Can you repeat it for me? Sorry, I can't hear you.
She read the book while laying hammock.
Lying down on hammock.
Lying down. Oh, yeah, lying down.
Lying down. And you see here, actually lay down is written like L-A-Y here, lie, L-I-A.
Yeah.
But here, when we use verb ing, it's just lying, L-Y and E-N-G. So it's written like that. Okay? So it's still, the meaning is still lay down or berbaring, tapi tulisannya L-Y-I-N-G. Bukan L-A-Y ya, tapi L-Y. Okay? Lying.
Lying. Okay. I'm wrong.
Okay, tapi tulisan aslinya tetap lie ya. Kalau L-I-Y, misalnya ini bukan verb ing, dia tetap tulisannya lay. Misalnya she lays down, tetap begini tulisannya. Oke. Itu pengecualian untuk verb ing saja. Lie. Lying down.
Oke.
Okay,
Namo.
great.
Berarti dia setiap memakai kata while aja baru dia digunakan ing ya, Miss ya.
Iya, kalau kalau ada dua action dalam satu kalimat biasanya setelah while itu verb ing gitu.
Oke, oke, oke. Understand.
Okay, next. Okay, so we will do a conversation right from
Mm-mm.
here. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like? Ya. Ah, oh my God.
Mhm.
I
No problem. Take it simple. It's okay.
I like every all. Semuanya. No everyone. Semua.
You like to do everything?
I like lie down ya. Lie down because
Mhm.
every day I'm so tired to do activities daily ya.
You're so tired to do
I like
daily
free,
activity.
yeah, I like free time, lie down, yeah, like this, like that.
So you like lying down when you have time, when you
Yeah,
didn't have any work, you like to
but
lie down?
now I think English, speak English so important yeah to go my to like must go on yeah to so now I like to reading a book about English. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah. And I have this is Chris. I buy
mhm.
this book Krista. Many books English. Come on, mistake in English.
Yeah. Also, it's English textbooks. I think you
Yeah,
read like novel. You didn't read novel?
novel. No, I don't like novel. I like about English ya tentang Inggris lah. I like that.
Okay, so
Sometimes.
you are so currently you are learning English from the book and you also join the class, right?
Ya. Apa bilangnya ya? Semangatnya luar
Mm,
pengen. Ya, I can speak English with bule ya kan, orang luar gitu. Dan aku juga and I to do teach my I want to teach to my children so that they are can speak English every day in house ya.
mhm.
So that
Okay, wait. Mhm.
but my skill English are not good. My spelling is not good. Itu sebabnya saya bergiat untuk belajar ini, Miss.
Okay, that's great. So currently
Oh,
I'm learning English, right? What the meaning of currently?
I don't know currently.
Currently or lately?
Lately?
Itu artinya belakangan ini, baru-baru ini, yang sekarang ini gitu.
Oh,
So you can say like currently I'm learning English. Gitu. Currently atau lately I am learning English.
baru-baru ini gitu ya.
Ya, kayak belakangan ini aku suka belajar bahasa Inggris itu bisa pakai yang currently atau lately.
Oh,
Oke.
currently I am learning English gitu.
Yes, currently I am learning English. Ya, benar. Ini juga kan kita biasanya makanya like ya. I like English. I like learning English. Itu
Ya.
bisa juga diganti pakai I am into English. Ini lebih natural biasanya. Jadi kayak lebih nggak kaku banget. Jadi kita biasanya bilang I'm into English. Aku lagi suka banget sama bahasa Inggris. I'm into.
Oh, ya.
Ini sama aja artinya kayak like. I'm into English. Oke. Itu artinya aku suka Inggris. And I notice you say you want to teach your children, right?
Ya,
And the correct sentence is I want to teach.
I want to teach.
Sorry. To teach my children. Not I want to teaching because after to it must be like bare verb. After to itu nggak boleh ada tambahan lain ya. Jadi harus verb aslinya. Which is teach. Okay? I want to teach, bukan I want to teaching.
Ya, ya, I want to teach.
Ya, I want to teach. Kalau misalnya mau pakai teaching, itu bisa gini sebenarnya. I want teaching my children. Tuh. Tapi ini sebenarnya nggak benar juga secara grammar. Tapi ada beberapa grammar, ada beberapa verb yang nanti kalau misalnya ini kan verb ya, I want.
Mm-mm.
Tapi di sini dia berlakunya sebenarnya nggak sebagai verb. Ini sebagai models di sini. Oke, jadi sebenarnya nggak boleh habis itu verb ing. Kalau misalnya ada juga penggunaan kayak gini. Tahu washing
Mhm.
machine. Ini contoh penggunaan ing buat adverb. Washing machine apa artinya?
Mesin cuci ya?
Ya, mesin cuci. Jadi di wash di sini kan sebenarnya verb ya. Di sini
Uh-uh.
verb, tapi dikasih ing itu nanti dia sebagai adjektifnya si machine. Gitu. Jadi mesin untuk mencuci.
Mm-mm.
Gitu artinya. Jadi intinya sebenarnya ing itu digunakan di saat-saat tertentu. Kalau misalnya tensesnya continuous itu pakai ing. Nih kayak
Ya.
gini, I am learning, oke, it's continuous.
Nah, kalau
Sedangkan, hah?
kalau ing itu kan untuk menyatakan sedang dilakukan dan masih berlanjut gitu,
Mm-mm.
Miss?
Ya, bisa continuous.
Continuous ya. Mm-mm.
Itu namanya tenses ini namanya continuous. Nanti kita akan belajar beberapa contoh grammar juga, tenses juga. Tapi untuk yang kelas ini kita introduction dulu biar tahu uh, English ability-nya masih di level ini. Nanti kita pakai buku yang untuk di level itu biar pas ya, gitu. Okay, so now
Ya.
we will focus on conversation. So, next one. Are there any hobbies or activities you're passionate about?
If it is your passionate. Passionate itu apa, Miss?
Passionate itu bersemangat atau suka gitu.
Are
Suka
there any
dilakukannya.
hobby or activities for passion? My hobby ya gitu.
Mhm. You're passionate about to you are really like to do it.
About my passion about is termasuk nggak itu kayak olahraga gitu, Miss?
Ya, termasuk hobi is
Oh,
everything. Maybe it's playing
ya,
game or you like
hobi.
watching movie. It's also hobby.
Oh, olahraga apa sih bahasa Inggris olahraga?
Sport.
Nah, sport, jogging ya, Miss. Jogging,
Hmm.
yoga,
Oh,
and
ya.
make a cake ya, membuat kue. Make a
Hmm,
cake.
baking. We call it
Baking ya?
baking. Ya,
Oh, bukan
baking.
membuat kue, baking.
Baking itu istilah untuk membuat kue dan roti. Jadi dua hal itu namanya baking.
Oh,
Istilahnya baking. Make a bread or cake.
ya. Make a
Baking.
bread or a cake ya.
Make a
Atau
bread or a cake.
baking gitu aja berarti itu udah artinya
Ya,
membuat
cukup.
gitu ya, Miss.
Ya, benar. Makanya ada bakery. Bakery is a store that sells bread and cake, right? Bakery.
Oh, iya iya
It's
iya
come
iya.
from here. Ya. So, baking ini noun-nya ya, noun. Kalau misalnya verbnya itu to bake.
Baking.
Sebenarnya arti istilahnya, maksudnya secara kamus itu artinya memanggang,
Mm-mm.
to bake. Tapi memanggang sini bukan memanggang daging atau ayam kayak gitu ya. Memanggangnya itu memanggang adonan gitu.
Mm-mm.
Jadi adonan kue, adonan roti itu to bake
Oke, berarti
gitu.
ininya baking ya, membuat ya,
Yes,
bakery.
I like
Ba-
baking and you also like the sport, like a jogging and do some yoga.
Ya ya ya.
Oh, that's great. That's really great. So you do it like every day, every morning? You do jogging every morning?
Mm, Sometimes.
Sometimes?
Ya, lihat waktu juga ya. Sometimes I see my times ya.
So, when you go jogging, like it is in the morning or in the afternoon?
Morning.
In the morning, or you prefer do it in the morning? Okay, because some people also do it in the afternoon before evening. So before dark, they do jogging sometimes.
Before afternoon ya.
Oh, so you like
Uh,
why you prefer doing it in the morning?
Before persiapan ya.
Why you prefer? Prefer itu lebih suka, lebih cenderung. Why you prefer itu artinya why you prefer
Why you
doing it.
prefer?
Sorry, why you prefer do it in the morning? Itu artinya kenapa lebih memilih pagi, melakukannya di pagi hari. Itu prefer itu memilih untuk. Why you prefer to do it
Oh,
in the morning?
because because the morning I usually to do it apa sih bilangnya? Kadang nggak ini guys. Kadang
No
nggak bisa
problem.
menyusunkan ini.
Yeah. Make it simple, no problem. I will correct you. I usually do it.
Di hari-hari ya libur sekolah gitu biasanya. Kalau untuk jogging ya, nah
Hmm?
to yoga in the morning usually my children go to school.
After your children go to school.
After my children go to school.
Okay, great. So for the jogging time, sorry, I can't hear you well. You usually do it when?
When Saturday, yeah.
Oh, it's when on weekend. You usually do it on
Yeah,
weekend.
weekend, yeah.
Oh, because the school is on
Sunday,
holiday.
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah, okay. So I usually do it on the weekend. Weekend
yeah,
is Saturday and Sunday, right?
yeah. I
Okay.
usually.
I usually do it on weekend. Jadi nggak perlu ada to-nya ya. Tadi kan ada to-nya ya sini ya. I usually to do it. Jadi itu nggak perlu. Langsung aja. I usually do it on weekend.
On the weekend ya.
On the weekend. Yeah, with the weekend.
The itu sebenarnya untuk digunakan kemana aja sih, Miss?
The itu yang khusus gitu. The weekend. Jadi the weekend di sini karena dia ya menjelaskan kalau harinya weekend, harinya itu Saturday and Sunday, weekend tertentu gitu. Misalnya nggak setiap weekend gitu, pakainya the atau misalnya kita punya barang di rumah, punya gelas nih, punya gelasnya warna ungu, terus minta tolong ke kakak buat ngambil misalnya, Kak tolong ambilin gelas itu, kan kita bilangnya gelas itu kan, itu tuh maksudnya yang khusus gitu warna ungu. Nah itu bisa pakainya the glass. Please bring me the glass. Jadi nggak sembarang gelas yang bisa diambil. Gelas itu, gelas yang warna ungu itu gitu, yang pasti. Kalau misalnya kita cuma bilang please bring me a glass atau please bring me ya gelas biasa, ya semua gelas bisa diambil gitu. The glass itu pasti pasti gelas itu khusus gitu.
Iya,
Jadi
ya.
untuk barang-barang tertentu itu harus dikasih the. Okay, so please bring me the glass itu untuk menjelaskan oh gelasnya cuma gelas tertentu nih yang bisa diambil gitu.
Oke. Oke, Miss.
Okay, so do you enjoy outdoor activities or indoor activities during your leisure time?
What
Number
can you
4.
number
Question
4?
number 4. Do you enjoy outdoor activities or indoor activities during your leisure time?
Apakah kamu menikmati outdoor aktivitas di luar ya, Miss?
Outdoor activities itu di luar rumah, indoor activities itu di dalam rumah.
Nah, leisure itu tadi apa, Miss?
Leisure itu waktu luang, free time. So, do you enjoy outdoor or indoor?
You can
you can say with I prefer. We will make it into sentence, okay? Bisa pakai prefer tadi ya. Prefer kan lebih suka gitu artinya. So I prefer
I prefer enjoy sometimes outdoor, sometimes indoor, Miss.
So which one do you prefer? Which one?
Which one?
Which one? Yeah.
Indoor activities.
Oh, you prefer indoor activities.
Yeah.
Why is it?
I don't know. I like so saya pokoknya lebih suka ini aja di luar lebih di dalam lebih nyaman gitu kan. Lebih di luar aduh gimana ya bilangnya Miss susah.
It's more comfortable indoor, right? You have air conditioner, you have like clean room, right? It's more comfortable indoor. But you say that you like go jogging? How is it? Jogging is you jog in outdoor, right? You jog outside
Yeah.
outside your home. So how is
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, I say it is sometime ya, Miss.
Mm-hmm.
Not no daily, no
Oh,
every day. Sometimes if I boring indoor, I go to outdoor like that. Correct, Miss?
okay, great. So I prefer indoor activities sometimes, but I also like some outdoor activities. Some activities outdoors, okay. Okay, you can say it like this, okay? I prefer indoor activities sometimes, but I also like some outdoor activities.
Prefer indoor.
Okay. Okay, you can say it like that. Okay, great. So, have you tried any new leisure time activities recently? Have you tried one?
Kalau kamu lelah ya.
Have you tried? What the meaning of have you tried?
Aku ini kurang paham yang namanya have you ini, Miss. Have you
Okay.
been? Nah, di sini aku kurang, Miss.
Okay, so basically ini basicnya aja ya. Untuk yang have you tried ini kok diartiin adalah ini dari try. Try. What the meaning of try? To try?
Mencoba.
Ya, mencoba. Try itu mencoba. Nah, have ini bisa diartiin sudah
Pernah.
ya. Sudah pernah
Sudah.
ya bisa. Kalau misalnya habis have itu verbnya harus verb 3. Sudah pernah dengar yang gini? Try, tried, tried.
Oh,
Ini verb 1, verb 2, verb 3.
Ya.
Oke, so have you tried itu artinya apakah kamu sudah pernah mencoba? Oke. Have you tried any leisure activities recently? Have you tried one?
Ini maksudnya aktivitas baru.
Ya,
Beberapa.
aktivitas luang yang baru. Any itu bisa diartiin nggak harus beberapa sih. Itu kayak bertanya aja gitu.
Oh, any new leisure aktivitas baru ya.
Aktivitas
Recently,
luang yang baru. Recently,
baru-baru ini gitu ya.
baru-baru ini.
Oke. Berarti kalau setiap kita pakai have itu harus memang diikuti dengan kata kerja ketiga ya?
Ya, benar. Habis have harus kata kerja ketiga. Bentuknya bisa macam-macam. Ini basicnya adalah perfect tense, tapi masih banyak ada perfect continuous, perfect future juga ada kayak gitu-gitu. Jadi nanti kalau misalnya mau tenses yang lengkap, kita nanti belajar di mungkin pertemuan selanjutnya, kita bisa belajar itu. Oke, jadi tenses tuh macam-macam, tergantung kegunaannya. Biasanya lebih ke arah waktu sih. Jadi karena English itu sangat time sensitive ya, dia baru kita lakuin aja ada tensesnya, nanti yang akan kita lakukan di future juga ada tensesnya. Jadi lebih ke arah situ sih. Tenses tuh lebih ke arah waktu.
I think learn English so hard, Miss.
No problem, it's okay. Like not everybody use the grammar all of 16 tenses at once. Jadi itu sebenarnya lebih ke arah kalau reading ya, kalau membaca kayak artikel, membaca tentang research paper itu lebih digunakan ke arah situ. Cuman kalau untuk daily conversation, actually we just have like use past tense, future tense, and also maybe a present tense and perfect tense sometimes. Jadi cuman sebenarnya yang saya lihat cuma 4 itu aja sih yang sering digunakan di daily. Jadi nggak perlu pusing tentang tenses, it's okay. Kita bakal belajar seiring sering baca, sering ngomong gitu. Nanti natural aja sih jalannya.
Iya, iya, Miss.
Tuh.
Kalau
Oke.
untuk
Mhm. Kalau
untuk
untuk
speakingnya saya nervous kadang jadi ngeblank, Miss.
it's okay, no problem. Karena ini pertemuan pertama ya, nanti pertemuan-pertemuan selanjutnya kan udah terbiasa kan, nanti langsung ini kok apa nyambung gitu. Begitu diajak ngomong, oh
Iya,
ya tahu nih mau ngomong apa gitu.
iya, memang sih harus dibiasain ya, Miss,
Benar,
speakingnya.
benar.
Nah, kadang kalau ikut aplikasi gitu kan diajak mereka ngobrol, saya nggak pede, Miss, nggak pede takut
Ah,
salah gitu. Padahal di situ ya maunya diberaniin tuh saya nggak berani, nervous, Miss.
iya nggak apa-apa, itu emang emang kalau speaking itu harus pembiasaan. Di antara skill lain, speaking itu kan lebih aktif ya daripada kita baca kan pasif ya, kita cuma baca, oh
Iya,
tahu artinya gitu. Kalau
heeh.
speaking itu aktif, jadi emang harus banyak dilatih. Nggak apa coba ngomong
Hmm,
sendiri gitu, atau kayak misalnya habis nonton apa terus coba komentari sendiri pakai bahasa Inggris gitu, it's okay, itu sangat membantu sih kalau misalnya nggak ada teman ngomong. Tapi kalau ada teman ngomong itu lebih baik lagi
iya, makanya
gitu.
diusahain untuk speaking sama Miss nih.
Iya.
Ada yang salah diperbaiki ya, Miss. Banyaknya berapa, jadi aku lebih pede gitu.
Yang penting jangan terlalu musingin grammar. Kalau speaking itu ngomong aja dulu, karena nanti
Oh,
kalau misalnya ada yang salah, oh ini kayaknya salah, nanti kan dibetulin dan akhirnya belajar dari situ. Jadi kalau misalnya belajarnya grammar dulu nih,
heeh.
belajar 16 tenses gitu. Nanti sama aja pas ngomong juga nggak tahu mana yang
Iya,
kepake gitu.
benar.
Jadi yang penting adalah coba ngomong dulu aja. Nanti lama-lama ketemu, oh kalau misalnya cerita nih berarti nih cocoknya pakai past tense karena itu kan yang untuk ngomongin yang telah lalu kayak gitu. Beda lagi kalau misalnya mau belajar untuk ujian, nah itu baru penting 16 tenses. Tapi kalau misalnya untuk daily conversation, yang penting adalah vocabulary. What's
Mm-mm.
meaning of vocabulary?
Kosakata ya.
Kosakata, vocabulary,
Mm-mm.
dan kayak istilah-istilah gitu, expression. Jadi kalau misalnya kaget, misalnya eh, orang Inggris naturalnya ngomongnya kayak apa sih? Kalau misalnya mau minta bantu, nah itu expression yang tepat tuh kayak apa? Kayak gitu. Jadi lebih ke emang daily. Oke?
Iya, iya,
So
Miss.
your goal for joining this class is for daily conversation, right?
Ya.
For mastering the daily conversation, right?
Mastering?
So tujuannya join ke sini untuk mastering. I'm join this class. Wait, I join this class to master my daily conversation. Master itu bisa untuk apa namanya mempelajari tapi yang lebih ahli gitu. To master my daily
Daily
conversation gitu.
conversation.
Jadi
Iya.
untuk daily conversation kan ini atau untuk
Mm-mm.
tujuan lain kan kita
Mm-mm.
harus menentukan goal nih. Kalau misalnya daily conversation berarti nanti pertemuan selanjutnya kita topiknya yang daily-daily aja gitu. Yang penting punya banyak kosakata, punya tahu banyak ekspresi gitu.
Oke, Miss.
So
Tapi
you join this class for to master your daily conversation, or maybe there are another goal. Mhm.
belum belum paham, Miss.
Okay,
Can
so
slow slow.
I ask you that your reason to join this class. Reason,
Alasan,
your reason to join this class. Is it to master the daily conversation, or you have another goal that you want to do with English?
Yeah, the first I I joined this class to master and
Mhm.
and to teach my children.
Yeah,
I
so you
want to
want
teach my children.
okay, so you want to like master your English, your basic English, so that you
Iya,
can speak well and then you can teach your children after that,
iya,
right?
iya.
Oke, oke, jadi materinya nanti bakal basic English, tapi bisa diaplikasikan di sehari-hari dan bisa untuk daily conversation ya, bisa untuk ngobrol. Jadi targetnya adalah kita bisa ngomong lancar dan tahu basic-basic English. Jadi kayak tensesnya, grammarnya gimana gitu-gitu ya. Oke,
Nah,
great. Mhm.
sorry Miss, tadi aku kan jawab nih pertanyaan Miss. Di situ Miss gimana apanya? Banyak nggak yang salahnya? Atau Miss tapi ngerti kan apa yang aku bilang?
Hmm, uh, if I notice something wrong, jadi nanti kalau misalnya ada yang salah, kayak tadi pas ngomong, pas jawab pertanyaan ini kan ada beberapa yang salah kan nanti Miss coba kasih di sini, misalnya pakai pakai prefer aja, terus habis ini nggak pakai itu nanti harusnya udah dibenerin sih. Jadi yang tadi barusan jawab itu
Oh,
oke, bisa dipahami dan secara grammar juga udah oke. Jadi nanti santai aja, jangan pikir kayak ini kayak yang salah nih bener gitu. Ngomong aja, nanti kalau ada yang salah pasti dibenerin gitu ya.
oke Miss. Wait Miss,
Oke,
I
great.
take it my drink ya Miss.
Oke.
Have you drink Miss?
Oh yeah, no problem. I have my glass near
Oh,
me.
ya.
It's okay.
Itu benar nggak bertanyaku? Apa pertanyaanku? Apakah kamu sudah minum? Have you drink?
Have you drunk actually?
Oh,
After
have you
have,
drunk? Oh ya,
yeah, we have verb three.
kata ketiga ya Miss ya.
Yes.
Have you
Drink,
drink, drunk? Yeah, like this.
drink, drunk.
Yeah, drunk, drunk.
Okay.
Have you drink? Have you drink? Drunk? Have you
Have you
drunk
drunk?
the water like this?
Yeah, I haven't drunk, but I have the glass near me. So when I feel thirsty, I will get my glass right away. So don't worry about it.
Hmm. Okay, Miss, ready.
Okay, so I think this will be our last question because our time is almost up. So wait, here, are there any specific places you like to visit during your free time, like parks, museum, and theaters? Number 6.
Apakah ada tempat yang spesifik yang kamu suka kunjungi yang
Mm-hmm.
untuk
Are there any specific?
spesifik itu tertentu
Spesifik
ya?
itu tertentu khusus ya.
Oh. Hmm.
Do you have any places do you like to visit? Maybe when it's holiday time, you bring your children maybe.
We kalau we usually
Mm-hmm.
biasanya mengunjungi visit
Visit
visit hmm, beberapa tempat gitu.
a few bisa, some bisa.
Some place
Mm-hmm.
some
Some
place
places,
some places is pakai is enggak ya?
some places.
Some places eh, kayak bilangnya tempat wisata yang nggak ada sih yang ini.
We usually visit some tourist attraction. Tourist attraction is tempat wisata.
We usually uh, some tourist attraction, yeah, like that.
Tourist attractions. Oh, what kind of it? It's like a park or museum or zoo maybe?
It's park,
Park?
yeah, like park.
Okay. Oh, what is called? What's the name of the park?
Apa sih namanya itu?
It's like the famous park or just nearby park?
Yeah,
Nearby.
it's like Mickey holiday name.
It's nearby your home?
No.
No, it's far.
It's far from my home.
Oh, it's quite far from your home. So you drive there? You drive?
Yeah, I drive.
Oh, so it's like a famous tourist attraction there.
Yeah.
Oh, so many people go there when it's holiday time, including your family?
I don't know, Miss.
Okay, so itu tempatnya terkenal.
Yeah.
It's a famous tourist attraction, so many people come there when it's
Ma-
come to holiday, right?
Many
Jadi banyak
people.
orang,
Uh-uh.
banyak orang yang datang pas liburan karena itu terkenal.
Yeah. Can you speak slowly, Miss, biar aku understand gitu loh.
Okay, so the park is a famous tourist attraction, right? So many people come there when it's come to holiday, right?
Yeah, right.
Oh, so what do you do there? What do you do in the park?
What do you apa yang itu apa, Miss? Artinya, Miss?
What do you do? What do you
Apa
do?
yang
What the activities there?
apa yang dilakukan di sana gitu,
Yes,
Miss?
yes.
Many apa ya? Banyak permainan apa gitu, Miss?
Oh,
Many
they have like playing ground there. Playing ground.
they have.
They have playing ground for the kids.
Oh, dia pakai da ya? They have.
They itu sebenarnya buat park sih. Jadi buat tempatnya gitu. Itu cuma ekspresi. Bisa pakai they
Oh,
have. Jadi kalau kita menerangkan tempat, the parks, itu bisa pakai they have.
they have a park like this?
They have. They itu sebenarnya balik ke parks. Jadi kayak they kan artinya mereka kan.
Ya.
Berarti mereka, tapi ini merujuknya ke gardennya, ke parknya, sorry.
Oh.
Ke tourist attractions nih, some tourist attractions, karena kan banyak kan. Jadi ini pakai yang they. Karena ini jamak. Okay, because they have us here.
Banyak
So we call it they.
Banyak permainan di sana gitu loh.
Oh, they have playing ground.
Playing ground, ya. They have playing ground.
Oh, playing ground and some games there.
Yeah.
It's just, oh, great. Is it permanent or it's just like a temporary building? Permanennya itu permanen atau cuma temporary aja? Misalnya musim-musim liburan doang atau emang selalu ada di situ? Permanent or temporary?
Permanen tadi yang setiap hari gitu ya, Miss?
Iya, permanen.
Temple apa tadi, Miss?
Permanent building atau temporary? Permanent building atau temporary building?
Temporary building, Miss. Building.
Oh, it's temporary, so it just access on holiday, right?
Yeah,
When it's not, when the holiday ends, they didn't have any playing ground or any games there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, got it.
Just is this what tadi temporary building? There is
Building bangunan?
hanya ada hari gitu loh, Miss, bilangnya. Hanya hari.
Ya.
Gimana
So,
pengucapannya?
gimana? Coba disusun kalimatnya.
Permainan itu hanya buka hari Sabtu dan Minggu gitu.
The park atau playing ground? The playing ground?
The playing ground open.
The playing ground
only Saturday and Sunday.
Only open Monday? Is it Saturday? Oh, Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah, Saturday and Sunday.
We can say weekends because it's Saturday and Sundays. The playing ground only opens on the weekend. Okay, but the building, it's the permanent or temporary building?
Temporary building.
Oh, it's temporary building. Okay.
Opens
Okay.
on the weekend. Okay.
Yeah, we can say it's like the playing ground only opens on the weekend. Okay, our time is up now. So we will meet again tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Okay, we will meet tomorrow at 9. So we will meet in the same link that I've given you just now. So we will meet again tomorrow at 9 with the same link. So for today, it's enough just from here. So I want to ask you tomorrow, can we use the textbook instead of just this PPT. So I have the textbook. It have many vocabulary and basic tenses for us to learn, because I think it's quite a match for your skill for the beginner level. So can we use that book tomorrow? Oke, besok bisa kita pakai buku. Jadi nanti aku share screen bukunya gitu. Jadi nanti kita selain discussion biasa, conversation, kita juga pakai buku itu untuk belajar vocabulary dan juga belajar tensesnya. Is it okay?
Oke, Miss. Oke.
Okay, great. So we will meet tomorrow at 9 o'clock, right? Don't forget 9 o'clock with the same link. Jadi linknya sama ya kayak yang tadi.
9
Oke,
o'clock,
nine.
jam 9
Yeah,
ya.
9 o'clock. Yes, 9 o'clock.
Nah, ini 100 menit ya, Miss?
Untuk yang solo, untuk yang one on one itu cuma 60 menit, sorry.
Oh, 60 menit. And
Iya,
for
kalau
that.
100 menit itu untuk yang 2 orang satu kelas.
Oh,
Oke. Karena
oke.
ini cuma 1 orang satu kelas, jadi 60 menit.
Baik,
So
Miss. Oke.
tomorrow, 9 o'clock until 10 o'clock. Right? I will wait you here in the same link. So thank you for your attention, Ina, and see you
Okay.
tomorrow.
Yeah, nice to
Bye.
see you. Nice to talking with you, Miss.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Okay, Miss. You too.